You have been consuming content wrong. In this video I'll be teaching you the most effective trick to consume any content out there. Trust me, any content you want to consume, I'll help you with this trick. So it doesn't matter what it is, you can start applying it as fast as possible and make sure you can make the most progress and learn the most things from these books, from this content. So let's get straight into it. Well, first off I'll be starting with a quick story and then we'll get straight into the tips. So, you've probably been consuming content, for example you've been reading a book or just reading it and laying it down. And I used to do this too. That's what I did years ago. But now I've started to adapt, I've started to use different techniques. For example, with my last book I finished, I marked things and I used this other trick that I'm gonna teach you guys today. And it's made sure that whatever principle I learn, I can make sure to implement it right now. So, let me instantly start with that. This trick is, if you read anything interesting, if you read something that intrigues you, if you read a principle, instantly try it out. So let's say you're reading a book about how to gain friends or how to talk to people. Instantly go like, okay, shit, this is a good principle. I've read the entire thing about this principle. Let me instantly go try it out. So go on a run, say, hey, excuse me, try that trick. I don't know what it could be, and just try it on them. You can just say, for example, let's say you just ask them a stupid question for example, like, which way do you think is north? But then with the tricks that you were taught, for example. Or you're gonna be learning about how to be more efficient at something, or how to do a certain skill. Instead of just reading about it or listening to it, start learning while you're reading it, while you're consuming this content. So let's say if you watched the video where I explained, you should instantly start executing. Pause the video, start filming yourself, and instantly upload that video, and then come back to this video and watch it again. Then complete the video without wasting time. So what you should do is, literally, as I just said, if you hear something interesting, you should instantly go act on it. It's the same within a book. If you're like, oh, this principle is interesting, I want to talk about it in my video, for example, if you have a YouTube channel, write it down. Instantly write it down and write a bit of a story, and then go back to your book and start reading further in that. Because the moment you instantly apply this principle and it's still fresh in your memory, then you're starting to learn far more efficient. These things will stay with you more, and you've actually tried them out, seen if they worked for you, and then once you know they work for you, you can keep on going to use them because you're instantly testing the principle. And this is also one of the key things to stop wasting time. In which I've previously in my video I've mentioned you should stop wasting time in my previous video about time. In this video I'm explaining to you how can you be more efficient with your books. So yeah, this is just a quick video about this principle. It's not anything big, just a couple of minutes, but if you really try your best and actually implement this principle, you can learn principles far better than anyone else. So trust me on this and try it out for yourself. Well, thank you for watching, and work hard, stay hard, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.